Hi, today we're making guacamole. I know we live in California, everyone has a great recipe for guacamole, but this guacamole is really legendary. Ask anybody who's had it and you'll see that everyone wants to come over for my guacamole every time we make it. So today I'm making a lot of guacamole because our friend Randy Doyle at Detailing Success is detailing our car for free. So I'm bringing guacamole for the crew. And this is what we're gonna do. We have the meat of 12 avocados here, 6 tomatoes chopped in small pieces, 1 cup of finely chopped cilantro. These are 6 serrano chilies chopped pretty finely, but you can change the amount of serranos depending on how spicy you want the guacamole to be. This guacamole will be pretty spicy. And we have 1/2 of a very large onion, so it's about 2 cups of onion, and about a cup of lemon juice. And then these are the super secret ingredients: olive oil, red pepper flakes, and Mexican dry oregano. So we are gonna start by mixing what normally would be just a really good pico de gallo. And that is the tomatoes, the onion, the serranos, the cilantro, and you mix that really well. And then we add all that lemon juice. So this is a very lemony pico de gallo now that will become guacamole in just a sec. And if you want to make this great pico de gallo, all you need to do at this point is add salt and you're done. It's delicious. It's really fresh and very tangy, very good. Now we're going to add all of these avocados. And it's going to be kind of chunky. I like my guacamole kind of chunky. If you like it a little bit smoother, you can chop everything a little bit finer, and then you can have a smoother guacamole. But so far, everyone loves my very chunky guacamole. And we're just gonna mix this really well. Okay, now we're gonna add salt to taste. I'm adding about, almost a tablespoon of salt, and we'll try it in a second to make sure it's got enough salt. But we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients before we try it. Okay. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of dry Mexican oregano, and I'm gonna crush it with my hands so it becomes a powder that you can mix with the rest of the guacamole. And then I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Yes, I got it all over my hands. Now I'm gonna mix everything together again. Let's try it and make sure it's perfect. Absolutely delicious, tangy, and super spicy. Hope you make it and enjoy it as much as the guys are going to enjoy it at the shop today. Ooh, it's spicy. Thanks. Bye.